G'day, Alex Moss here from Tactical Arbitrage, and this next feature I want to show you on the product search page is literally one of my most favorite features that we've ever created for Tactical Arbitrage because it makes the previous two videos about bulk category lists, it simplifies the entire process. And although we still have that option to import, build, and create your own sort of bulk category lists, it's kind of archaic compared to this new, very, very manageable, very, very easy system. Now, use Easy Bulk. Let me show you how it works. It's probably the best way. So let's say, for example, we wanted to go to or use Fat Brain Toys as an example before. I'm going to use Fat Brain Toys again as an example. I can actually start just typing up the top here, Fat Brain. It's going to get me to what I need a lot faster. Now, Easy Bulk is a feature that was created by my developers and populated with data from a company called Tactical Bucket. Nice fellow by the name of Javier San Juan who actually operates that, and I do recommend you check out tacticalbucket.com. He has an extremely good service which allows you to purchase websites that you can add to Tactical Arbitrage and increase the number of domains that you can source from using an advanced feature built into Tactical Arbitrage, which will again be explained in a later video. So please feel free to mouse over this little piece of information here and read about that more in your own time. It explains it better, but as far as the feature goes, I'm going to move on to that now. So Easy Bulk pops up, and it's now the default selection. Over and above category example, Easy Bulk, if there, because it's not there for every single store, but it's there for most stores. I guess an option for you to use the other bulk import lists will be, in an instance where Easy Bulk is not there, then you could always create your bulk lists for those stores then. But if Easy Bulk is there, I suggest you use it. Now, if there is less than 500 rows or 500 categories on the entire site, you can select just Add to Bulk, and it will add every single one of their categories. Now, I can tell now from doing that that there is 264 categories on Fat Brain Toys. Now, Javier updates this information quite regularly, and so this information should be reasonably up to date. So what we've got there is 264 categories of Fat Brain Toys, and we may want to go ahead and scan all of those 264 right now once we've applied our filters. That's super convenient, and you haven't had to build anything. But what if you want to analyze this data a little more? Or what if you don't want to scan every single one of the Fat Brain Toy categories? You can clear this. We can start again, and we can go this time to level 2. So we're going to go toys, and then we're going to drop into, say, toy categories, and let's pick active play, add to bulk. We might pick arts and craft, add to bulk. We're going to pick some plush toys and add those to bulk as well. And you can see over here the bulk category selected is climbing. There's actually 37 categories now that are collected by the drop-down menu that we've selected so far. So if I was to select, say, building construction, level 4 still has an extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different categories that are within building construction alone. So just by selecting add to bulk, we're going to see this figure jump up over here to collect everything under building construction. So we now have a bulk category ready to go with 58 rows in it. Let's have a little look at that, because what we've got right now is just what's called the current basically the current ready to go but not saved in the system bulk list. It's saved in as much as that if you never make any changes to this and you go in and out of this page, those 58 bulk categories will still be there. But you may wish to return to a scan, an easy bulk scan, on more than one occasion. So what I'd encourage you to do is pop on into this Save Edit button, and you'll see the list here of all of those categories that you're looking to now scan. So there's a bit of control that you can do in here. First of all, I'm going to save this here. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to name this Fat Brain Toys. And maybe I wanted something more specific, like Fat Brain Toys board games or something, or in this case, Active Play Arts and Craft. But for now, I'm just going to call that Fat Brain Toys. Now, whether I press Enter, click this big blue button, or click the tick over here, it's all going to amount to the same thing. It's going to save that. Or if I click the tick or that button there, and then I can also rename that as version 2 or whatever. And it's going to save that data. I didn't actually rename it. Fat Brain Toys Action. Okay, and so we now have, and you'll see over here, the drop-down menu now has selected this as Fat Brain Toys Action. And you'll see that more clearly when I come out of this page. So in this as well, we may say, actually, I don't want to scan these active play items here. So I'm just going to select these. I can shift select multiple items, and I'm going to delete those selected items there. Now, in the list manager at the bottom, I can see that I already had some bulk lists created for Target Beauty, Sun and Ski, etc., and a test one there. I don't need the test one anymore, so I can actually go through and I can delete that. Delete. And here I might also want to do something like download the Target Beauty CSV, because I wanted to sort of have a look at that one. And so that is now being downloaded. And I can have a look at exactly what's being created by Easy Bulk. It's basically created a tactical arbitrage bulk list using the Easy Bulk feature that is compatible with tactical arbitrage. So what else do we have over here? We've got use this list instead. We've got download that. We've got delete that, or we've got edit that. So we might want to pop into Target Beauty now and have a look at that. So you can jump around here a little bit and see what you want to do. And you can see that in product search, it's now replaced the use Easy Bulk with the Target Beauty option, because it now thinks that we want to scan that. But because we have saved the Fat Brain Toys list, we can also pop back into there and decide to scan that. So it is much easier way of creating a tactical arbitrage bulk list. And it also supports multi-domain. So let me pop back out and show you what happens when I start adding Fat Brain Toys things to Target Beauty. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to select all these building construction ones, add that to bulk. Bulk categories climbed. If I pop into edit, I can now scroll down and see that the target.com categories are still there for beauty, and Fat Brain Toys ones are in this same list. So I might want to rename that one now to Target Beauty and Fat Brain Toys. Rename. And once again, from this page, I can do things like download the CSV. I can delete the entire list, or I can just select this one to use. And as you can see, it is populated down here. Now you will need to have this switch turned on if you want to run an Easy Bulk scan, although it does switch on when it starts to see you play around with this kind of area and start to create Easy Bulk lists. It'll automatically switch on within the assumption that that's what you are looking to do. So Easy Bulk is used by people every single day now because it is a super easy way to create a list of many categories in a site that you can start running scans immediately. But that is all there is to Easy Bulk, and I'm going to let you start getting into your scans while I go and prepare the next video.